my cousin Brandon's 2004 Subaru WRX. He did a recent rebuild on the engine. The engine got a low beepy. You know, these things like to do that, but very good, tasteful upgrades to it. Killer shape. Just such an old school, cool vibe. I know 2004 is 22 years old for some of you. It's fine. He's taking really good care of this. He was been up at 6 a.m. polishing this thing because he knew I was going to judge him. We ain't gonna talk about the watermarks, but that's all right.